Welcome to today's video, where we promise you that this will be the most valuable and transformational video you've ever watched on this channel. Why? Because we're about to reveal a secret that has the power to change the way you approach your goals. One that will not only help you hit your yearly targets, but allow you to achieve them in a month. And no, this is not just a motivational speech or empty promise. We're speaking from experience. We've applied this exact strategy ourselves, and with 100% certainty, we can tell you that it works. In fact, we've been able to hit our yearly goals within 3 months using this exact method. So if you want to do the same and speed up your success, you need to stay with us and watch this video till the very end. Let's dive straight into the first step, which is crucial to achieving any goal. Put your blinders on. Imagine a racehorse gearing up for the final stretch of a race. You'll notice that the horse's eyes are covered by blinders. Why? It's simple. So the horse can focus on one thing, the finish line, and nothing else. If the horse gets distracted by anything on the sides, it won't perform at its best. Now think about the difference between a duck and a horse. A duck is versatile. It can fly, swim, and walk. But it doesn't excel at any one of these things. It does all of them, but poorly. A horse, on the other hand, is only focused on running fast, and it does that one thing better than any other animal. Why? Because it's focused. This is the same for you. If you try to juggle multiple goals at once, your attention and energy will be scattered. But if you focus on one singular goal and put all your energy into achieving that, you'll become unstoppable. Most people fail because their attention is like water. It spreads everywhere, and in doing so, dilutes their impact. But if that same water is focused and channeled in one direction, it becomes like a laser beam, powerful enough to cut through stone. Think about Nikola Tesla, the genius inventor responsible for creating electricity, wireless transmission, and even artificial intelligence. Despite his brilliant mind, Tesla's biggest mistake was spreading his efforts too thin. He worked on over 300 projects simultaneously. He didn't focus on one thing, and ultimately, he died in poverty. Now, compare that to Charles Darwin, the father of evolutionary theory. Darwin didn't have the highest IQ, but he focused all his energy on one mission, his theory of evolution. He dedicated his life to this one goal, and even after his death, his work continues to shape our understanding of the world. That's the power of focus. So, what is your most important goal? What is that one thing you want to achieve this year? For the next 3 months, you need to put on your blinders like a racehorse and focus on that one single goal. No distractions, no side projects, only one goal, and all your energy must go toward it. As Vince Lombardi, the famous football coach, once said, "Success demands a single bushel of purpose." Now let's move on to the most important second step, the secret that will unlock your potential, the hidden secret. This is the game changer that all successful people know but rarely share. And it's something you've probably never been told. This secret is the key to everything you'll ever want to achieve in life. It's the reason why some people seem to have success handed to them while others struggle for years. When you understand this secret, your life and your results will change dramatically. If we had learned this secret 6 or 7 years ago, we would have achieved our success much sooner, and it would have saved us countless struggles and mistakes. But now that we know it, we've been able to cover years of growth in just a few months. The secret is simple. Start taking practical, consistent action. And while that sounds simple, the real key is how you implement it. When you understand this secret and start applying it, you'll realize how many distractions you've been dealing with and how much unnecessary noise you've been allowing into your life. The difference between success and failure is action. Not just any action, but focused, persistent action. And that's something many people fail to do consistently. In fact, this is one of the reasons why many people spend their whole lives working hard without ever achieving their goals. They don't take the right action at the right time. And here's the catch. The best part of this secret is that it's not just about hard work. It's about smart work. When you understand how to focus and channel your energy in the right way, results come faster. Now that you've committed to focusing on one goal, we're going to take it a step further. We're going to challenge you to take the 90-day streak challenge. This is a challenge that will stretch you to the limit, but at the same time, it will change you forever. The rules are simple. You must work on your single goal for 90 straight days. No excuses. There will be Sundays, holidays, days when you feel sick, or days when you're just not motivated. But no matter what, you cannot break your streak. Every single day, you must work towards your goal. The best way to track this is to set up a calendar on your wall and mark a check every day that you complete your goal-oriented task. This visual representation will not only keep you motivated, but will become a powerful symbol of your consistency. It will remind you that success doesn't come overnight. It's the result of consistent, focused action over time. The next crucial step is one that's often overlooked. Shut your mouth. In today's world, people are quick to share their goals with others, telling everyone their big plans. But this can actually hurt you more than help you. The problem is, when you announce your goals prematurely, your brain releases dopamine, the feel-good chemical, because you're getting a sense of accomplishment just from talking about your dreams. This makes you feel like you've already done something, and as a result, your drive to take real action diminishes. Instead, keep your goals to yourself. Let your actions speak louder than your words. Be like a mystery. Work hard in silence and let your results speak for themselves. Finally, your biggest enemy in the modern world is not other people. It's your phone. It's so easy to get distracted by social media, notifications, and endless scrolling. These distractions rob you of your time and focus. To truly achieve your goals, you must learn to control your phone and set boundaries around your social media usage. So, that's it for today. So hurry up and start changing your life from today. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.